Hi, my name is Miles Peak. I'm a project manager at Peak Packaging. This video is intended to help you understand the different styles of chipboard boxes available. The easiest way to understand chipboard box styles is that their names are typically a short description of how the box closes. Let's start with the same tuck end or STE box style. A same tuck end box utilizes two tuck tabs on the top and the bottom of the box to close. Like the name suggests, both of these tuck tabs close on the same side. This creates a cleaner transition for graphics from the front panel to the top and bottom panels, as most of the time the tuck area will be on the back of the box. The assembly of this box is very simple. Apply pressure to the sides of the flat box to have it pop into shape. You then close the top and bottom and load the product to close the box. Has a low price point, easy assembly, and ease of opening are the benefits of this box. The downside is that there's really no open box experience. The reverse tuck end or RTE box style is very similar to the STE. This box utilizes tuck tabs that are on the opposite sides of the box. This makes it so the front of the box will have one tuck area showing on either the top or bottom of the box. You may be asking what is the purpose for this since the STE offers a cleaner print area. RTEs nest together more effectively on a sheet so you can typically fit more boxes per sheet. This creates a lower price point. The downside is potentially choppier graphics with a limited open box experience. The next box style is called a full overlap or FOL box style. Unlike the STE and RTE, there are no tuck tabs on either side of this box. The top and bottom panels are sized so that both panels fold all the way to the edges of the box, overlapping each other. These boxes have to be glued together, typically by machine, to close. Minimum order sizes are typically much higher because the boxes are machine glued. You can glue these boxes by hand, but it is rather tedious to do so. This box style is common for food packaging that needs to be tamper evident, as gluing both sides truly seals the box. It is also used for heavier products as the overlapping top and bottom flaps provide more strength. Now we'll shift to a box style called a tuck top auto bottom or TTAB. This box style has the same tuck top, but the bottom is built with 4 panels that automatically snap together when you apply pressure to the sides of the box. The tuck top auto bottom is very popular because the auto bottom makes assembly very quick, but also creates a stronger, sealed bottom. The price point and labor time is actually lower than an STE box style. The downside is the 4 panels locking together on the bottom create an uneven printing surface. There are also size limitations, as the auto bottom does not function with certain box dimensions, as the bottom panels cannot meet to lock together. A replacement to the tuck top auto bottom box is the tuck top SnapLock Bottom box. There is still a tuck on the top, but the auto bottom is replaced with 4 panels that have to be folded together. This box style is commonly used when the dimensions do not work for an auto bottom. The bottom of the box is stronger than all the previous boxes mentioned, as 4 panels of material fold in, locking together. Because the panels have to be manually folded, the assembly time is considerably longer. These next boxes typically have a better aesthetic and open box experience. Let's start with the roll end tuck top or RETT box. This box is assembled by rolling the ends of the box to lock into the bottom of the box. That creates the internal cavity. This style is different in that there is essentially a lid instead of a tuck tab that opens and closes on a hinge. Typically there are flaps, called dust flaps, that come down from the lid into the sides of the box. Dust flaps keep out dust, but they also give the lid more strength. There are then tabs called cherry locks that lock into the front of the box. The benefit of this box is that there is a much better open box experience as you unveil the whole product when the lid gets lifted. Most of the inside of the box can be seen when this box style is open, so there's a lot more room for creativity with double-sided printing. Labor time and price per unit is the downside for this non-glued box. A simplex tray does not tell you much with its name, other than it is a tray. This tray has the 2 longest sides glued, while the other sides need to be folded in to assemble. Trays are typically paired with a larger tray that slides over the top of the base. A simple sleeve can also be used to go over the top and seal the box. Both of these options provide a better open box experience as you slide the lid off vertically or horizontally to unveil the product. Since simplex trays almost always have 1 or 2 pieces to create the final box, the price point tends to be higher. Small trays can also be tricky to fold up. Where do you put all these product boxes? There are several different countertop displays you can use, but we will review 2 of the most common styles. The high back, low front display is the most common display for retail stores. As the name suggests, there's a large header in the back of the display that allows space for plenty of branding. The front of the box has a small lip to make sure the products do not fall forward out of the box. You can either go with rolled sides for a cleaner yet more expensive option, or perforated sides that tear away, showing more of the product. These displays arrive to stores sealed, as the material used to create the header goes across the top of the products and tucks into the front lip. A gravity feed is much different in that it shows much less of the product. At the bottom of the display, there is typically a trough or slit that holds products that can easily be grabbed. Once you pull product, more falls into place. This is typically used for smaller products that do not have individual packaging. These are some of the most common chipboard box and display styles available. There are certainly different iterations of these boxes as you further customize. Custom inserts and windows are very common in making sure the product fits and is shown nicely in the packaging.